How's it all going, guys? How's it going? Mark's doing it. Just doing a bit scrapping today. Got my big trolley empty. I know I got the box on. Don't know what. Only for small bits. So here's me going to load all this scrap. Some of these are plastic, so but mainly metal. So they'll be here to scrap and strip down. A couple of other bits of scrap in here. Just these two. These are heavy. Those two. And you've got some light stuff, cable. Off this is Ford KA radio. Not badly called radio. These all good stuff here. If I sell it without scrapping it, I could have made £5, but let's get some bits in. Oop, don't forget to take the drum cables out. So load all these small bits. Sorry guys about the camera that you're not looking at most stuff. You do now. I'm struggling with that. That was fishing rod. This is dangerous. I'm not wearing no gloves. Wow, it's dangerous. Ouch! Not bad here. Oh, still. No, what? Well, I'm finding it there for. Don't know why. Oh, aluminium. Oh, what's this? Oh, I'm struggling in it. Oh, that's a fishing rod, that is. Wow, fishing rod. I'll break it in a minute. Oh, I'll move that before I end the video. I'll move that back. Nah, I'm gonna break it. I could have kept it. No, I could have sold it, but oh, bit bended. But it might come in handy. Oh, I broke this rear leg. I bended it. Not really. It already bent anyway. Oh, tool wrench. Don't forget about that. I put that there because then nobody can't see out. One off, and then we get the other off. Now that was some stuff going out there. Yep. Video. Star. This has got some weight to it. So that's nice, but it's just some bits coming off it. PC tower. Flask. The other off at GoPro. Some aluminium and some burn tank stuff. There's aluminium. And it looks like a motor, transformer, but like one of these, but smaller. Cable. Some spaghetti. Sorry about the camera, it's frozen. Oh shit. Just needs some cleaning. Cable. Copper. Is it copper? Right, it might be copper. I hope it's copper. I forgot my magnet. Right. Ah, bended. I'll bend that back somehow. I'll get it bended. Oh. Not bad little plate and all. Ah. Some weight to these. Got some weight to it. This is another video player. I think this is a tape recorder. Some more spaghetti. Alright, some copper pipe in this there. I'm just thinking, oh, I had to find an old axe. So shut that in. It's a good load here. Yeah, it's a KA radio off of Ford KA. Yep, there's my load. Bit dangerous at the moment, but I will put a bunch of cores on. I'll show you a photo in a minute of I'll just send it over there, just a wiggle it, just make sure. Oh, not bad, like a load of it just there. Some weighing scales. Let me just weigh this then. 45 for 50 kilos, £8. So I weigh £8, 50 kilos. Not bad. I always want to put a bit of weight on, but every time I put weight on, I always keep losing weight. I'll be going in any second. Some bits just down there, wet spiders, that way. There you go. Look at my bunch of cords, it's good odor.